Hi guys, it's Luz again with a short video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make canned salmon cake. And this video is for my nieces Patricia and Priscilla because every time they want to make it, they call me with the recipe. Girls, this recipe you will have now forever. So things you will need, of course, a can of salmon cake. Salmon. 1 medium onion, 1 medium pepper, 1 egg, 1/4 of a cup of very fine chopped cilantro, but this is optional, black pepper, breadcrumbs, plain or gluten-free. Today I'm going to be using gluten-free because my behind is getting too big during the quarantine. And a measuring cup, a boil, and some oil or spray. And I'm going to be using the spray for the same reason. So the first thing you do is make sure you rinse the can very well. Okay? So let me move this here. Nope, maybe move it over here. Very good. So here comes, and drain the liquid. So here comes the can of salmon. Oh, and let me show you something. This is one of my favorite gadgets because it chops the onions and the peppers very fine. No, I do not work for this company, but it's about $20. And it makes your life so much easier in the kitchen. So that's why I wanted to show you this. So I'm going to cut the other half of the medium pepper. I love this thing. There you go. Ta-da! All done. Beautiful. Now, if you're making the salmon cakes for your children, you may want to use less, but still put a little bit to introduce them to onions and peppers and cilantro because this is good for you. So you want to start teaching your children how to like vegetables, but don't put that much. Just a few little onions and a few little pepper and just a few little cilantro if you wanted to introduce the children to vegetables. So now you have the salmon. Bring it back over here. The medium onion, medium pepper, 1 egg, quarter of a cup of the breadcrumbs, the cilantro. Now, whoops, the onion ran away. I'm going to try to put these gloves on with wet hands. Oh, I forgot. I need to add a little bit of black pepper. Black pepper to taste. I don't put any salt because the salmon has sodium already. I'm just going to put a little bit. Ta-da! And now with my hands, I'm just going to mix all these ingredients. And this will be enough for a family of 4. And I love eating these cakes with either boiled or baked vegetables, like with boiled potatoes or boiled carrots, or a combination of boiled potatoes and carrots, or roasted potatoes and carrots. And what else? Yes, delicious. Oops. And Frugal, very inexpensive. Things are bad right now. We have to be careful with our money. And this is full of omega-3, which is really good for you. So yeah, that's it. It's all nice and mixed. Now, Let me take my gloves off. Okay. I'm going to bring the pan over here because it's cold. No, I said I was going to use the spray. Spray the pan. I have another glove over here. And we have one now. So I'm going to have one glove and that's all I have. One. No, all I have is one. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm going to have to wash my hands anyway. So about that size. Let's see. Let's see. And this doesn't take a long time to cook because basically everything you can eat raw or the salmon from the can is just the egg that you need to cook. So I guess we brown it and then I'll be back. So I'm going to cook it at medium to low heat. Okay? So let me pause the camera and I'll be back. I am back. It takes about, I will say about 5 minutes, 2.5 minutes in each side in low medium heat because that's how long it takes an egg to cook. So that's the time that I'm giving you, but you can cook it a little more. It just depends how brown you like the cake to be. And I'm going to eat it. I made myself a bed of mixed greens with a little bit of avocado and some cannellini bean salad, which I have the recipe for garbanzo salad. It's just the same recipe. The only difference is that I add sun-dried tomatoes to my cannellini bean salad, and it's really delicious and also very inexpensive. So let me go get the cake, the salmon cake. See if I can get it close to the camera. Oh, I need so much equipment. There it is. And now let me try it. Very good, inexpensive. Your family will love it. Stay home, stay safe. Things will get better, I promise.